Sequence of putting on personal protective equipment, also known as donning, according to CDC guidelines. Here is our medic. Now he will put on personal protective equipment in sequence. First of all, he will do hand hygiene to clean his hands. Number 2, he will put on the gown. The gown should cover from the neck to the knees and to end of the each wrist. Then we will fasten the gown from the back of the neck and in the waist. Now he has fastened his gown. In the next step, he will cover his nose by a respirator. The outside of the respirator should be touched. The inside surface of the respirator should not be touched. Now here is our respirator. We will touch the outside surface of this respirator via our hands and will put it in such a way that it will cover our nose, our mouth and the back of the chin. Then after putting it on, we will fasten the bands of the respirator so that it will be fastened on our head, and then we will do the fit check to see whether the respirator is of the right size and it covers our face perfectly. Then we will put on goggles to cover his eyes, and then he will put on a face shield to cover his face. Now he is putting on the face shield. Now in the next step, he will put on gloves in such a way that the gloves will cover the wrist of the gown. Now he is fully equipped and he is ready for action. The end. Thank you.